Hey guys, Happy New Year. I hope this year is already treating you fantastic. We're about to kick off the very first video of 2022. Super excited to do this back on the 28th of December. Chatterbox Gals had LeAnne from the Mennonite Farmhouse as a guest. And some of y'all had the idea to do a challenge on a couple of her recipes. So this is what we did. We chose her sticky buns and her cheeseburger soup. Now, if you're gonna make a video and join this challenge, please hashtag it the Mennonite Farmhouse Challenge. Also, we need you to have your videos uploaded by the 25th of January. Anyway, this is my video on LeAnne's sticky buns, and I'll be the first to admit LeAnne is the sticky bun queen. But anyway, here's my shot at it. So here we go. All right, LeAnne, I made my first flub of the day. I thought I had my video camera going, which I think I did, and it got shut off somehow. A text come through or something, because I'm using my phone. But anyway, all my ingredients are in the bowl. I cut your recipe in half, starting out with 6 cups of flour, a tablespoon and a half of yeast, half a cup of oil, half a cup of sugar, a cup of mashed potatoes, 2 cups of milk, a tablespoon of salt. I think that's all I need. We're going to head over to the KitchenAid now and see what we can do with this. Lock it down, and here we go. All right, see what this dough looks like. Let me turn my other light on. Might be brighter. Not really. Okay, let's see. And what do you think? A little more flour? Let's try a half cup. Y'all, baking is not my strong point, so I'm just warning you. This could get interesting. All right, LeAnne, dough test number 2. Almost there, maybe. I'm gonna add a little bit more flour. Flour. Y'all, I need help. I can never get that out right. I guess I could latch it down, huh? I'm thinking maybe so. So I'm supposed to switch out this paddle for my dough hook. And I think this stuff is supposed to knead for like 10 minutes. So let's give it a shot. Let's pull the old dough hook out. Get it all hooked up here. I get my hands to cooperate with me. Here we go. 10 minutes. Okay, so it's all mixed. And kneaded. And I'm going to get this scraped off the dough hook. And I hope it is got enough flour in it. Now, let's get over here back to the bar. I'm going to grease it down with a bit of vegetable oil. Kind of wipe it around. Reach over here. Get my dough. And rake it out into this here bowl. So what I did is I turned my oven light on. I'm going to let it hang out in there till it doubles in size. Punch it down. And let it double some more. Here we go. Alright, we're coming in for the first punch down. And about to take off on the second rise. Here we go. All right, now let's see if the dough's going to cooperate. Shake a little flour on the rolling pin. So, alright, so let's get the butter spread out on these things. Now for some cinnamon. Try to roll these things up. All right, so it's rolled up. Already got my mixture into my pan. Now, I'm gonna slice them down. Alright, there you go. So these things are gonna rise. LeAnne, I have to say you are the sticky bun queen, and I'm not a bit jealous. So we'll be back when it's time for the next step. These have risen quite nicely. About to slip them into a 375-degree oven until they're done. The finished product turned out. Now let's flip them out onto a pan. And there you have it. LeAnne's Sticky Buns. I hope you like this video. Make sure you comment, share, subscribe, and we will catch you next time.